Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today I'm standing in my front lawn. This is a freshly reseeded perennial ryegrass that I did late last summer, and I've been purposely neglecting it this spring. It's now the last week of June, just to try out this fertilizer from Yard Mastery. This is a 12-12-12 starter fertilizer with a 3% iron. So far this spring I haven't done a thing to this lawn other than sprayed it for weeds a few weeks ago and just regularly mowing it. So I'm gonna get this fertilizer laid down. We'll check back in a couple weeks and see how the results perform. So what I'm planning on doing is that telephone pole there and this line right down to here. From this half over, I'm going to apply the starter fertilizer with the 3% iron. And from this half to the left, I'm going to leave alone. I'm not going to apply anything. And then we'll check back in 2 weeks and see what the results look like. Now we'll go ahead and get this watered in and check back in 2 weeks. All right, here we are 3 weeks later. The results are in. I think I gave it enough time to fully work itself in. So let's take a look. If you guys remember, I fertilized from the telephone pole over this way, and this is the results. And then from the telephone pole this way, I didn't put down any fertilizer. So take a walk over here so you can get a better view of the with fertilizer and without the fertilizer. There's a nice distinct line right there. The results aren't as good as I thought they were going to be, and they weren't as good as the flagship that I used last summer with the 3% iron. But I think this starter fertilizer with the 3% iron should probably be used more towards the spring when you're getting more moisture and cooler temps. And I think that flagship with the 3% iron would work best more towards summer or fall seasons. But there is quite a difference, as you can see, especially this area here. It's pretty brown looking. Definitely needs some fertilizer here. And you come over here with the 3% iron and it sure looks pretty nice. There are a little bit of brown spots yet. We had a lot of rain right after I applied it, so maybe some of these areas here washed away. But I'm happy with the results. Although the results are pretty good, I think that this starter fertilizer with the 3% iron is something that should be applied more towards the spring, cooler times of the years. I think you're going to get a little bit better results. The flagship that I used last summer worked very well, and I think what I'm going to do now, after this here works in and starts to brown up a little bit more again, I'm going to try the Yard Mastery Double Dark. So be sure and stick around and check back for that video if you're interested in seeing the results of that. I think I'll go ahead and apply this to the rest of the lawn now and make it nice and even, and let this all work in good for about 2 months, and then get that Double Dark applied, and we'll see the results for that. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll leave that link down in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.